When we think about great speeches, it's easy to focus on the words themselves, but how we say those words often matters just as much. Imagine listening to someone who speaks in a monotone voice with no change in pitch or pace. It's hard to stay engaged, right? This is why understanding the importance of tone, pitch, and pace in speech delivery is necessary. These elements are the tools that add color and emotion to your words, making your message more compelling and memorable. A confident tone can inspire trust, a varied pitch can highlight key points, and a well-chosen pace can add drama or clarity. Tone is all about the emotion and intention behind your words. It's how you convey your feelings and attitudes to your audience. The tone you choose can greatly influence how your message is perceived. For example, a confident tone can inspire trust and authority, making your audience more likely to believe in what you're saying. On the other hand, a relaxed tone can make you seem more approachable and relatable, which can help in creating a comfortable atmosphere. Pitch refers to the highness or lowness of your tone. It's a powerful tool for adding emphasis and variations to your speech. Using a higher pitch can convey excitement, urgency, or even anxiety, while a lower pitch can add a sense of authority, seriousness, or calmness. Varying your pitch throughout your speech keeps the audience engaged and helps to highlight important points. Pace is the speed at which we speak. It affects both how well your audience can understand your message and the emotional impact of your speech. Speaking at a lower pace can help your audience absorb complex information, giving them time to think and reflect. On the other hand, a quicker pace can convey energy and enthusiasm, creating a sense of excitement and urgency. Improving your vocal skills takes practice. Let's go through some exercises designed to help you develop better pitch, pace, and clarity. To practice raising your pitch, try reading sentences with different emotional tones. For example, read a sentence as if you're excited. Then, read it again as if you're sad or determined. Notice how changing the pitch alters the meaning and emotional impact of the sentence. This exercise will help you become more aware of how your pitch can enhance your speech. Pacing exercises are a great way for understanding how the speed of your speech affects its delivery. Take a simple sentence and practice saying it at different speeds: slow, medium, and fast. Pay attention to how the meaning and reception of the message changes with pace. This will help you learn how to use pacing strategically to maintain interest and convey the right emotion. Clarity is crucial in public speaking, and exercises like tongue twisters and enunciation drills can help improve it. Practice saying phrases like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers slowly and clearly. Then gradually increase your speed while maintaining clarity. These drills help ensure that every word is easy to understand even when speaking at varying speeds and pitches. Pair up with a partner and practice reading dialogues in different tones. For instance, read a conversation between two people where one is angry and the other is calm. Focus on matching your tone to the content and purpose of the speech. This practice helps you to learn how to adapt your tone to fit the message and connect more effectively with your audience. Understanding vocal variety is one thing, but knowing how to apply it in your speech is another. Let's discuss some strategic ways to use these techniques during a presentation. Use vocal variety strategically to keep your audience engaged and highlight key points. For example, you might use a varied pitch to emphasize important concepts or adjust your pace to create suspense before revealing crucial information. If you're telling a story, you could start with a slower pace to set the scene and gradually speed up as the excitement builds. Similarly, if you're making a critical point, lowering your pitch can add weight and seriousness to your words, ensuring your message resonates. Mastering tone, pitch, and pace isn't just about speaking clearly. It's about speaking with impact. These vocal elements help you connect with your audience on a deeper level, turning your words into a memorable experience. Through practice and awareness, you can learn how to use your voice as a versatile tool that enhances your message, keeps your audience engaged, and ensures your speech has the desired effect.